Here I've got REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to activate and use Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open accessibility, which is under additional settings. And now go to Talkback right here. And you can smoothly activate it by tapping on this switcher. Tap on OK to give all needed accesses. And here you can go with this tutorial, or you can smoothly go back because basically all you need to know is written here, so just listen to it. Okay, so I need to volume it up.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
So this is how you can use it. If you'd like to switch off the watermark, just tap here, and as you can see, double tap to select it, it's off. So let's go back, then double tap to select it, and you can smoothly use your device with this Talkback on.
Select to speak off. Double tap to activate.
And if you'd like to switch off Talkback, just mark it.
Talkback on. Double tap to activate.
Then click twice to open it, mark Talkback, and click twice to switch it off. Confirm that you want to turn it off, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use Talkback, also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.